Hello, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how to replace an AirTag battery as well as my favorite uses for them. Okay, so here's my purse AirTag. The battery is low, and so we are going to replace the battery. So this is a 3D printed little holder, and my husband's going to show us how to open. So you turn and it pops open, and that's the battery you need. So as you can see, some of the Duracells have a coating which is really good for child safety, but not good for an AirTag because it doesn't work then. The last AirTag, which was an older version that we tried to put a coated battery in, didn't work with it. So if it doesn't work, all you have to do is get rubbing alcohol and a paper towel, and you just wipe the battery clean. And then once it's dry, put it inside. There you go. Make sure it's tight, and then you're good to go. These batteries tend to last around a year. And then put it back in the case. So now my low battery symbol is no longer showing, and you can also locate on a map where your AirTag is found, as well as make it play a sound. And you can even use a warm cold method by going closer or farther away, and it will help you find it. I did want to quickly go over some of our favorite uses. We use them for our backpacks for our children on a regular basis and in my purse, but when I travel, I like to use it in my luggage or carry-on. We have one on our e-bike that we like to ride, as well as some of our other more valuable items. If I had pets, I would definitely have an AirTag on their collars. They cost around $24 if you buy a 4-pack from Apple, and you can even get them customized for free if you have the time to wait. I would also love to know your favorite uses for an AirTag if I have not mentioned it already, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Cheers!